Newly launched boAt smartwatch. Xtend Sport lets you count every move with its 700 plus active modes. The calories keep burning, Xtend Sport keeps counting. The sporty yet breathable and comfortable straps make it fit your wrist like a second skin. With a fast charge of 30 minutes, Xtend Sport provides a battery life of 7 days, keeping you ready for the hustle, wherever, whenever. Get notified of all the happenings on the pitch with live cricket scores. Dive into a sporty yet elegant 1.69 LCD display that features a bold, bright, and highly responsive touch interface while you take charge of your fitness journey. Crest App Health Ecosystem lets you make custom plans, shared goals, and do a lot more in just a few clicks. And with custom fitness plans, fitness buddies, and wellness crew, you can create your own fitness community and take charge of yours and your loved ones' health. With IP67 dust, splash and sweat resistance, keeps the watch safe up till 1 meter and for 10 minutes. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.